we are going to make the famous Rocket Fuel Latte. Another staple in this house. I have it every single morning. Leanne Vogel, who is very well known in the keto world, she has books, she has podcasts, she has all the videos you could ever want. Her book is the one that I read when starting this diet. Shout out to my friend Deidre because I got the book from her. Love her book. So helpful, aside from having so many recipes and carving out a meal plan for you when you're starting out for a full month. At the start, she just sort of lays into everything, gives you so much background so you feel fully informed going into it. I love that she caters to women. She has a very flexible attitude towards your personal guide to keto itself. You finding what works for you. The Rocket Fuel Latte is the better version of Bulletproof Coffee. Bulletproof Coffee is MCT oil and butter. A great way to burn fat, very, very popular. However, Leanne came up with the Rocket Fuel Latte as a way to give the Bulletproof Coffee even more bark to its bite. Not only does it help you continue to burn fat all day long, when you wake up, your body is already primed for fat burning, which is why it's so great to have first thing, though you can enjoy it any time of day. She created it so that you can burn fat, get rid of cravings, and it helps regulate hormones. I'm going to link Leanne's video here about the Rocket Fuel Latte because she has so much helpful information and words it so much better than I can even try to summarize. But definitely go check that out because it's extremely interesting and she gives you all the goodies there. So, what's the first thing we need for the Rocket Fuel Latte?
It's a rocket.
It's coffee.
It's coffee.
You need 1 3/4 cup of coffee.
1, 3, 4, 1. Did I help you with this?
Sure. Cacao butter calls for 1 tablespoon. These come in chunks. I just use one of these because I know it's roughly close to it and I'm not picky about it. So, do you want to put that in?
Yeah.
Cacao butter. This is the stuff that Leanne says specifically helps with regulating hormones. It's the hemp parts. 1 tablespoon. Go ahead. Our good friend MCT oil.
MCT oil.
Gotta have MCT oil in that. 1/4 cup of vanilla.
Vanilla.
There you go. Hold very tight and then turn. Woo! Almost done.
Can I do this one?
Pinch of salt. Can you put your hand out up here? And then I'm gonna do a pinch of salt in your hand. Now, can you flip your hand over? Woo! Liquid stevia.
Okay.
2 to 4 drops. I do 3. You want to help me? Here, put both your hands on here. We'll go 1, 2, 3. I think I got 4 in there today.
Mama.
Totally fine by me. I have a sweet tooth. First, we gotta blend.
Yeah, I'm gonna stay away for this.
Okay, I'm gonna stay away for this, she said. Cool. Blend for about a minute. Okay, we gotta do one more thing. You wanna help me?
Yes. What's that?
Last thing, after you've blended it for about a minute, you do your collagen peptides. 1 scoop, although you could do 2 if you wanted. Do you wanna put this in for Mama?
A big one? Oh.
Gold scoop, whoa, good job. And then you just blend it for 10 seconds.
Can I blend with you?
You can. Put your hand here in. We did it!
All done. 1 cup of dishwasher coming right up.
All the way up to the top. Now, leave it there because it's very hot, okay? And I'm gonna go grab the cinnamon, okay?
Okay, bye.
Why are you telling me bye? Favorite parts?
Did I shake it?
My favorite part. You can hold it with me. Can you hold this side?
This is soft. This is soft.
It's cinnamon. Isn't it pretty? Okay.
Me.
That's it.
Cup of fire coming right up.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Do you want me to pick you up? Here.
Now.
So that's pretty much it. You can enjoy the Rocket Fuel Latte on its own. I do it on its own most of the time because it keeps me full. I truly do not feel hungry until lunchtime. Or you can split it up. Leanne suggests this too. You could have half your Rocket Fuel Latte and then eggs, bacon, whatever your keto breakfast of choice is. And you can have the rest the following day. I believe it keeps. Do we say bye? I think you're ready to go.